If your business website runs on a page builder like Elementor, dump it as soon as possible. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you why it's the one big change that now lets a junior team member do what used to require a senior developer at a fraction of the cost while improving quality. And I'll also talk about what to replace it with. Right now, there's a massive wave of business owners looking at AI workflows, all asking the one question: how do I use AI to run my business smarter, faster, leaner, and so on? And those are the right questions to be asking. And here's what I see happening again and again and again. People are trying to bolt AI workflows onto systems that were never designed for them. And page builders are one of the biggest culprits. I've been in IT for over 45 years. I built systems for most of that time. And I have one principle that has never let me down. The best way to solve a problem is to get rid of the problem. Not patch it, not add to another tool on top of it, just remove it, get rid of it. That's how I ended up building Transmute Engine as a service that totally replaces Google Tag Manager. More on that in another video. Page builders like Elementor were brilliant when they first came out. They let you build a professional website without needing a single developer. They were great. Right tool, right time, but that time has passed. AI can now do everything your page builder used to do and so much more. And AI code editors can build pages, update content, redesign layouts, fix things, and push changes live. Faster, cheaper, and in some cases with no monthly subscriptions. But it can only do this cleanly if your page builder isn't fighting something that is in its way. When a page builder sits between AI and your website, your workflow hits a wall before it even starts, and debugging gets 2,000% harder because now you've got AI trying to work through a page builder, trying to interpret your code. Good luck with that on a Friday afternoon when you're tired. You might hear that workarounds are being developed, and it's true. MCPs, Model Context Protocols, they are bridges to make page builders play nice with AI. But think about what that actually is. You're adding another layer of complexity to fix the problem that shouldn't have even existed in the first place. That's not a workflow. That's a stack of patches on top of a stack of patches. Here's the core takeaway. Remove old pre-AI systems as quickly as possible in your company and let AI do the work instead. You might feel concerned about handing things over, but I've used Claude Code now for over 18 months. Built over 20 key systems, plugins and everything, including our core product Transmute Engine, which pushes WordPress event data server-side to wherever you need it. Not once has it done something dangerous. I now give it full server access and it works as a senior developed competent level. The trust concern, I understand it, but it's not a barrier that you think it is. I can't speak for other AI, but I can speak for Claude. We took our Syriza site that was running on Elementor and rebuilt the whole thing in one day. 7 hours, one person, redesign, rebranding, cleaned up, fully tested. So that was a total revamp, not just using getting rid of Elementor. It was a total restructuring, 7 hours. And now, when we need to update that site, we describe to what we want in AI, and it's done in seconds. We do it via chat, and we use Claude Code. No MCP in sight. Which tools do I recommend? I mentioned Claude Code a lot, so we of course recommend that. We use Windsurf to run Claude Code. It works great on a Mac. Cursor is another solid option. Plenty of great tutorials out there for getting started. We use mainly free tools. We only pay for Claude. If you have someone on your team who's even slightly technical, point them at one of these tools and let them rip. That investment in learning will pay for itself many times over. So if you're holding on to your page builder because your switch feels too big, take one day. Just take one day. What is that? Make the move, make the shift. You'll never regret it. The results you'll get back immediately. If you're a small business owner figuring it out how AI can simplify your systems and grow your cash flows, subscribe for more. And if you want to see this same principle taken even further, watch this video next. The title is strong. I hate Google Tag Manager. But it will help you save your company thousands of dollars over the next 12 months and make you money by giving you better data.